rather a large building to be blasting off. It's taken about a week and a half so far. I'm trying to get all this tar off, it's just not good. Here we're talking about what kind of patches we put on. You reach a point with repairs on a piece of timber like this, it's actually very difficult to work out what to do. You can see here there's holes right through the timber. The original mortise. I guess you could call it a free draining mortise. What's left of the tenon above it sticking down into the mortise, and then that's draining out. That one's gone as well, totally hollow, with water running out through this. So as long as the water isn't trapped, I guess the good point is it's there, but it can dry out. We've got a lot of problems here with, again, cement. And how do you actually make these Weber tight? So what we're doing is we're angle grinding them, and then we're going to use an oakum caulking in the gap, and then this will be lime mortared over the oakum. And it's a pretty complicated little job to do. So badly webered, this timber is very deeply ingrained, and of course around the edges you've got a lot of problems in trying to seal it. Nothing is flat, nothing can be sealed easily. There's holes everywhere. So it's a bit of a nightmare.